We are pleased to present this stunning 1991 King Air B200 offered exclusively through Leviate Air Group. This King Air is well equipped inside and out. The flight deck hosts an impressive list of Garmin upgrades and Iridium satellite phone. External upgrades include the Raisbeck Hartzell swept Turbofan propeller system and the Cleveland wheel and brake conversion kit. The interior and exterior were refurbished in 2016, and the owner has taken exceptional care while always keeping it hangared. Don't miss out on this incredible aircraft, and please enjoy this tour of the King Air B200 serial number BB1393. Contact Jesse Griffin at Leviate Air Group for more information.